Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about Nifty 50 levels of for third week of November using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. So first we will see like what was the Nifty trend last week and what was our machine learning algorithm predicted. And then we will see like how much error was there in our machine learning algorithm. Then we will see like what is Nifty 50 level for next week, third week of November as per machine learning algorithm. Then we will do the manual analysis of Nifty 50 using some charts, OA and FANDA activities. So this is our machine learning algorithm predicted last week. Uh, Last week, like we didn't use last week data, but because of some huge FINDA cell activities, we didn't consider that one. We just take data till 22nd October, which we have created the video on 1st November. Same data we have hold last week as well. So that time algorithm predicted like from 18,500 600 levels there will be a correction till 17,500, then Nifty will consolidate and try to reverse, and this is what actually happened in Nifty. From 18,600 there was a drop till 17,600, and Nifty is got a support around 50 moving average. This green is a 50 moving average. Nifty got a support there, and Nifty is trying to uh, reverse and consolidate in this area. So based on our algorithm and what is there in actual Nifty 50, so we can see it is almost matching. So this is our data input we have given for machine learning algorithm for this week. Like we have taken data from 2019 0101 till 2021 November 12th. So this is the data we have given, and this is it's a same data we have put one more time. So since we have algorithm is predicted till December end, we taken this snapshot as well. Like from 20, we put the data till 22nd October. Like as per algorithm, it will take a support around 17,500, and by end of December, it will reach around 20K. We are keeping this aside, and next we can see. So this is what algorithm predicted using data till 12th November. So as per the algorithm, Nifty in November till November end, Nifty may touch 18,500, 600, the same the resistance, and there might be a correction till 18,000. And this is what we can see in our daily chart from Chartlink. So as we have seen multiple times, Nifty is either getting a support at 20 moving average, and if it is broken 20 moving average, then it is getting a support in 50 moving average. So similarly, October end also we have seen like first Nifty tried to get a support in 20 moving average, and as it broken, it got a support in 50 moving average, and in first and second week of November, Nifty is moving along with this 50 moving average. So by end of November, we are expecting Nifty may touch this 18,500 resistance, and if this resistance is closed, then we can expect some 19,000, and after that we can expect some correction and rally. So this is some crucial point after 18,500 we have to watch like whether Nifty is trying to correct, or Nifty is closing that one and doing a very good rally. And this is the 14 period RSI. So here also we can see like Nifty, if RSI is coming and on and around 40, it is trying to get a support there. So similar pattern we have observed in last week of October and first and second week of November. And this is open interest data we have taken from Opstra for 18th November. So compared to previous week, like November first week and October last week, we have seen like there was huge call option sell was there. So what is there in green is a call option sell, and what is there in pink is a put option sell. So things has been improved in November first and second week compared to October last week. We can see like there is an improvement in call option sell. So that indicate like there is an support in for Nifty around 18,000 and 17,900 and all, and Nifty may rally about 18,200 or till 18,500. That is what we are expecting. So till this is data for 25th November expiry. So here also we can see like put option sell is a much higher volume than call option. So we are expecting like Nifty may go above around 18,250 or 18,500 by end of November. And this is data for November first week. So compared to these data, November 2nd and third week and November end expiry, we can see like earlier call option sell was much higher than put option sell, and so that is improved. And October last week also we have seen call option sell is much higher, and put option sell was very weak. So that time Nifty was doing some correction, but now things has been improved, and we can see put option sell is higher than call option. So that indicate Nifty will move ahead in coming weeks. And these are FIA and DAI sell activities, buy and sell activities we have taken from Opstra. So like we discussed in previous videos that in October last week there was around more than 20,000 crore sell was happened as Nifty touched 18,500, but in November first week it has been improved, that sell is much lesser and we can see some buy, and in November second week it is much better, like sell is much lesser compared to what is there in October, and we can see some very good buy as well by your FIA and DIE. So these also indicate like Nifty will move ahead, and it may touch 18,250 above or 18,500 by third week and by end of November. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please do in comments. So have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.